Man, I'm hungry during a month of Christmas. I guess I have other choice, but I have to get some food for Christmas dinner.